Welcome everyone. In this video, we will cover the calendar sync feature and how it can help you keep your availability updated across all platforms automatically. This will help prevent double bookings and allow you to manage your schedule effortlessly. Joining us today is Igor, our lead solutions consultant, who will guide you through the features and its benefits.
Thank you very much, Milica, for the introduction, and thank you all for watching this video. As you can see right now, we're in AdvanceCM in a multi-calendar overview right here. And if we take a look at the layout of the screen, we're going to see on the left side all of the properties that you manage, and on the right side all of the dates, the rates, and the bookings as they are coming in. If the booking came from Airbnb or booking.com or even VRBO, you will see the logos, right, of those channels. And now, if we need to create a direct booking, we can simply click and drag the dates of the rental itself, let go, and the system is guiding us at a booking, right? Now, when we are creating a direct booking, we will put in a guest name, we will put in the guest email address, and once we have done this, we will enter, for example, how many adults, right? Let's say 2 adults are coming, and as soon as I click with my mouse, you can see that the system itself already calculated the base charge, as we can see in the system, as we have created the rates, but also system has added the fees or any other tags that we have implemented in the rental itself. Once we click on save, what will happen? The system will automatically create the guest, plus all of a sudden you will see that the booking has been created right here. As soon as booking is created, the dates on all of your channels will get blocked and you will never have double bookings.
Mm-hmm. And Igor, a question. So what if we need to do some maintenance on the property? Like, can we block then these dates? And also, is there any other overview of this calendar?
Very good question, Milica. Thank you for asking. So yes, absolutely. Whatever kind of a maintenance that you have on your property, you can simply block the dates. It's the same steps, and all of the dates on your channels will automatically be blocked for that certain time of period. So how we do that? Again, very simple. Now, if we want to create a hold event for the maintenance, right, what are we going to do? Right here on the calendar again, we're going to click and drag the date with our mouse, let go of the mouse, and again, you will see pretty much the same options and you just saw when we were creating a direct booking. Instead of add a booking, we're going to say add a hold event, right? We're going to give it a title, whatever it's fixing, let's say like this. It shows us the dates for how long we have dragged, and we can also manipulate the dates right here if we need to. We can even put an expiration date if you would like. Of course, we can always put a short description. We can even assign this hold to a certain guest, but we can talk this in another video. And just on the end, we can click save. And what will happen? The system will automatically create this gray tab. As soon as it gets created, all of your dates or any other channels get automatically blocked, and no one will be able to book these dates. To answer your second question, Milica, which is very good, is how you see and how you can view your calendar in a different overview, right? Maybe not for everybody, this is a convenient to, scroll and look at their bookings and the rates and everything else. So if we take a closer look right up here on the left side, we can see these few blue icons, right? The first one is the standard calendar. Then we have the planning calendar overview, agenda, and on the end, we can view all of the hold events that we have created throughout the time. If we take a look on the standard calendar, we're going to see that the program is giving us a monthly overview only regarding bookings. It will not show us any rental on this page, or if let's just change the month here, we can even see more. So he will remove all of the rentals and just give us an overview of the bookings that we have for the current month. If we click on a planning calendar, I like this one. The best is the agenda. So if we click on a plan on the planning calendar, I can say that I want to view information and bookings regarding March, April, and let's say May. So what will happen? We can see that he has done a breakdown per month for all of the properties that currently had bookings or in past or in future. So it is a very nice and clean overview of all of the bookings for the months that you have selected, and he will only show you the properties that have bookings for that time period. In the end, if we click on agenda overview, it is very clean, it is very simple, it is very straightforward. He will list you exactly per day when you have a checkout, what is the name of the property, when you have a check-in, what is the name of the guest, what is the name of the property, how many nights, how many adults or how many children. And you can, again, literally scroll down and see all of the guests that are coming in and coming out for each of the day, as many bookings as you have on that certain date, as many properties you have. If we take a look on the right top side, you can filter by day, by week, by month. And remember, all of these options here will be available to you no matter in which overview you are. And on the end, we can see all of the hold events. So whenever you create a hold event for any reason, you will be able to see the list of all hold events that you have created throughout the time.
Wow, this is really nice.
Yes.
It makes it really easy. Okay, so I think that maybe we can finish here for like this little session. Thanks everyone for watching. If you want to learn more, you can subscribe to our video series on our YouTube channel. And thanks, Igor.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Milica. And
Thanks.
I'm really looking forward to a chance to speak with you all, guys. All the best. Goodbye.